Hi guys, okay, so we've got the Makartt nail foil kit. So inside this box there is the Makartt. They're actually a really nice bottle, it's quite cute, and they're quite a large size as well. So that is really nice, and it's great that you've got two within the kit. So these are super cute foils, some really nice kind of marble features and watercolor designs, which are always going to be, you know, it's really going to be in. And I feel like they're really bringing back those really grainy marbles and everything like that this year, and the stone, just not only in design and decor, but definitely in nails too. So these are really cute. Now, so the good thing about this box is basically it has 2 little boxes inside it, and you have 2 foil glues. You also have 20 nail foils as well, which is really good, and they're a good size roll. So basically, if you were going to start doing nail foils, then basically you would just need this kit. So you put this on, you're going to cure it, and then you're going to come in it. Basically, it creates an extra sticky layer in between your gel polish before you go on with the foil. So I like using a nail foil glue myself, particularly because when you're trying to do an all over nail foil design, sometimes you can't just rely on the tacky layer of like a gel polish, depending also what brand it is, to be able to get that nice kind of full stick with foils. So it's a lot of trial and error. So definitely adding a foil glue into the mix helps you get a nice full foil glue piece. So yeah, so great kit, 2 bottles, love it. It's gonna last you a really long time, and really cute colors, great for anyone, beginners, DIY, professional, and they're a lot of fun. So great way. You don't have to be good at nail art to have cool nails. You can definitely, once you get that structure down and the shape, you can kind of add these, and you don't have to be amazing at kind of design. So